In travel news, for April 2nd, 2024, we talk about Regent Seven Seas unveiling their 2027 World Cruise. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, an award-winning travel agency that makes travel so easy, even a blind traveler like myself can do it. And now, Today in Travel. Regent Seven Sea Cruises has unveiled plans for an extraordinary 140-night world cruise set to embark on January 11th, 2027 aboard the Seven Seas Splendor. This announcement has sparked excitement amongst luxury travelers, offering an unparalleled journey from Miami, Florida to New York, New York, covering 40 countries across 6 continents and a staggering 35,668 nautical miles. With pre-registration now open and bookings set to begin on April 10th, this voyage promises an array of exclusive experiences and luxurious amenities. Setting sail from Miami, the Seven Seas Splendor is poised to deliver an epic journey filled with rich cultural experiences and opulent comforts. Guests will be treated to a luxury hotel stay and an exclusive gala in Miami before departing, setting the stage for the adventures ahead. The itinerary features more than 480 included shore excursions, allowing travelers to immerse themselves in the beauty and diversity of destinations such as the Caribbean, the Pacific Islands, Australia, New Zealand, Asia, Africa, and of course, Europe. With 14 thoughtfully planned overnight stays, guests will have ample time to explore each destination in depth, including 73 UNESCO World Heritage Sites that showcase the planet's most precious natural and cultural treasures. The Seven Seas Splendor, known for setting new standards in luxury cruising, offers an intimate setting with a capacity for 750 guests, ensuring personalized service and an unmatched sense of community. The ship boasts 373 suites across 15 categories, 9 dining venues, a culinary arts kitchen, and a spa, providing a haven of relaxation and gourmet experiences at sea. Highlighting the voyage's exclusivity, the Regent Suite offers an unrivaled experience with its spacious layout and exquisite amenities, priced at $1.7 million for 2 guests. For those seeking luxury at a different scale, veranda suites start at around $91,499 per guest. Anticipating the culinary needs of its guests, the Seven Seas Splendor will be stocked with 13,000 pounds of lobster, 14,000 pounds of filet mignon, and an impressive selection of wines and champagnes to accompany every meal. This attention to detail ensures a gastronomic journey that parallels the geographical exploration. Regent Seven Sea Cruises' 2027 World Cruise on the Seven Seas Splendor is more than a voyage. It's a comprehensive exploration of the world's wonders, wrapped in the utmost luxury. For travelers seeking an unparalleled experience that combines global exploration with opulent comforts and exclusive events, this journey offers a unique opportunity to discover the world without sacrificing the comforts and luxuries of home. Whether embarking on the full 140-night journey or choosing a shorter leg, guests are guaranteed a journey filled with memorable moments and the highest standards of luxury. Today in Travel is brought to you by The Adept Traveler, an award-winning travel agency that specializes in making travel easier for everyone. From the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled traveler, it's our belief that everybody deserves to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.